Is it too late? Am I waiting too long to write my book? Am I too old? Am I too far removed from the trend? Is it too late for me to become an author? And my answer is absolutely no. One of the very first authors I met who was instrumental in helping me get into a writing organization and learn how to write better and make some friends that were writers was in her 70s when she published her first book. She didn't start writing until she retired from her day job. She taught me right away that it was never too late to go after my dream. If you're thinking, I'm 50, I'm 60, I'm 40, I'm 30, maybe I'm too old to do this, you aren't. 365 days are going to pass in the next year, no matter what. Are you going to spend those 365 days thinking about writing, or are you going to spend them actually writing? Because you can either get a whole year further away from your goal or a whole year closer. That is up to you. Is it too late in the year to start my book? Never. It's always a good day to start your book. There is no best day to start a book. January 1st is always a great day to start a new resolution. But how many of us are still in the gym in February? You really need to start right now and keep writing and keep learning and keep going forward. But you're going to say, maybe this isn't the right day to start. I don't know how to write a love scene. I don't know how to write suspense. I don't know how to weave all the plots together. It's okay. Write anyway. You know what teaches you how to write a book? Actually writing a damn book. Reading about writing a book, thinking about writing a book, talking to other people about how you want to write a book doesn't actually teach you how to write a book.
What?
You don't have to know it all. That's what revision is for. And I have a whole 3-part series on revision here. Do I know everything? No. Did I know everything when I started? Absolutely not. I knew very little, in fact, and I talk about that a lot in this video here. You have to start and stop being afraid of what you don't know or what you have yet to learn. You will learn so much simply by getting to the end and writing the entire book. Let it be a piece of crap. That's totally fine. Let it be a book that you never even sell. That's also totally fine. This is practice. It's like taking a college course. You don't become a doctor just because you decide you want to be a doctor or you show up in scrubs. You become a doctor because you take years of study. It's the same thing with becoming a really great writer. You can have years of books that are mediocre or even terrible, because they're part of your education in learning how to write a good book. There's no substitute for experience, so start writing. Is it too late for my story idea? Like, let's say that 7,000 people just came out with stories that were based on Nobody Wants This. And you're like, maybe I'm too late. Maybe I'm behind the curve. And it is never too late for a really well-written book. Never. Because readers are always looking for their next great read. So if you can write an amazing story, even in a glutted market, you can stand out and you can shine because readers will talk about it. And when they're really well written, they rise above the other books that are there. So it's not too late for your story idea, and it's not too late to start writing it. Besides, as I've said in other videos before, trends come and go. And by the time you finish your book, you have no idea what will be popular or whether there will be more of what you're writing or less of what you're writing. So just finish it. Get it done, get it out there, and see what happens. So my answer to your question is quite simple. Is it too late? No. It's only too late if you think it is. It's never too late to start. So start writing today. And if you want more information about how to start your book with a bang, watch this video here because it gives you a lot of ideas for how to start. And once you start, don't stop until you've reached the end.